That's funny thing again. This guy's really savage. Hello YouTube, what's up? Hadn't made a video for a long time. I'm doing this 4th of July video. I'm in this like new apartment. It's pretty crappy. Just looking for some fireworks. Dad said the best one's gonna be like right over there. That did not work. That sucks. Fire trucks in here. Guy did this again. Oh. And he like put the fireworks against his dick. It looked like it was like cheating. It was really hilarious. Oh shit! That guy just jumped over the firework. Did you see that? This guy literally jumped over the firework. Here's some fireworks. That means those pussies are probably making fire, because you're not allowed to set off fireworks. It's pretty obvious that you'd hear them, and like it's probably gonna be like a fire. These are probably all illegal fireworks, like these idiots. It's hilarious. Alright, goodbye. This is fucked up. There's no fireworks, right? Happy 4th. See you losers.